check out the incredible cheetah, the ultimate speedster. They're the fastest land animals, reaching a mind-blowing 60 miles per hour in no time. With their lightweight body, long legs, and flexible spine, they're built for speed and quick turns. Watch closely as they go from 0 to 45 miles per hour in just a few strides, supercharged acceleration. They stalk their prey with precision, relying on their speed rather than brawn. Unfortunately, cheetahs are vulnerable, facing threats like habitat loss and poaching. Witness the jaw-dropping speed of these cheetahs, a symbol of grace and a call for conservation. Let's protect them and secure a future where their awesomeness continues to shine. Together, we can make a difference for the fastest creatures on Earth.